The All India Democratic Women's Association submitted a formal deputation at the Agartala East Women's Police Station protesting the horrific 3-day illegal confinement and torture of a minor girl in the Nandannagar area. AIDWA State General Secretary Sofna Datta strongly condemned the incident, stating that women in the state are facing an acute lack of security to the extent that families are struggling even to file cases. The organization demanded immediate legal action and exemplary punishment for the accused individuals involved in the brutal torture of the minor girl. Reporter by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.